Hello, welcome back to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today, I'll show you how to restrict certain collections to specific countries using the Cart Lock app. First, open the Cart Lock app and click on the Add a New Rule button. Next, click on the Add a New Condition button. From the available options, select the Collections option. In the field provided, add the collection you want to restrict. You can select one or multiple collections. Click Add a New Condition again, and this time select the Shipping Country option. Now select the countries where this collection cannot be shipped, such as United States of America. Make sure to give your rule a name in the Rule Name field for easy recognition later. In the Error Message field, add a custom message that will appear during checkout, such as some items cannot be shipped to your location. Click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's test it out. If a customer from Canada or the USA tries to purchase from the restricted collection, they'll see the error message you've set, and the order will be blocked. We might need to fill up the shipping information fields, so Shopify API can detect the country. As you can see, I am seeing the error message, so I cannot complete the order anymore. That's how simple it is to restrict specific collections to certain countries using the Cart Lock app. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page, where you'll find WhatsApp and Facebook details. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!